Do you know what is ROS and how you can use it? Let's find out today. A robot operating system, ROS, is a set of software libraries and tools that help you build robot applications. From drivers to state-of-the-art algorithms, and with powerful developer tools, ROS has what you need for your next robotics project. ROS defines a set of connections in different applications based on your requirements within the defined workspace. Workspace defined boundary of your project. What library do you need and where communication is possible between nodes? Node is a program that can be written in different languages and has an undependent structure, THX. ROS nodes may communicate between themselves and use each other to create a better structure. To be able to communicate between nodes, we need topics. The topic is a name to channel to communicate between subscribers and publishers. ROS allows communicating through topic to exchange information between nodes. Communication with many publishers can send information to many subscribers. The subscriber receives a message that every publisher sends. However, subscribers don't know about different subscribers or publishers. Also, publishers don't know about subscribers and other publishers. All that means that the communication structure has to be flexible and based on norms. For now, there are ROS and ROS2, and each of them has different distributions like phonetic or melodic for ROS and Foxy or Humble for ROS2. Each of them has a different supported library and operation system under which you can compile your robotic application. On the website www.ros.org we can see currently supported distribution. ROS and ROS2 aren't compatible with each other. Like every solution, ROS also has its own advantages and disadvantages. So it's good to know them to make better decisions about implementing this solution. In conclusion, the robot operating system, ROS, is a powerful tool that can be used to control and monitor robots. ROS can be used to create programs that control the behavior of a robot. Additionally, ROS can be used to monitor the state of a robot and its environment. Finally, ROS can be used to create simulations of robots and their environments. ROS has many benefits that make it a powerful tool for robotics. It is open source, so anyone can contribute to its development. It is also very modular, so users can easily create custom applications. Leave a like if you want more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.